because most platforms have some sort of like you mentioned, we only use Kajabi, but Kajabi has a hello bar. And when you come onto someone's website, that's the very first thing at the top. It's the little piece at the top that gives you the information for what's current or like what is going on. Don't leave something up there. I think this is one of the most important things. Don't leave something up there long term that makes someone go, oh, they don't check their own website. They don't pay attention. So it makes them kind of build trust with you if you always have a current something and you don't use it when it's past. Like those are little information pieces. So next is our header and footer. And so we're going to do this one together.
Yeah.
Because this one is, you talk about being consistent and I'll talk about the congruency.
Okay. So headers and footers, we want to make sure they're consistent. So consider the colors and brand alignment and most important information. And they want to be along all of the same pages. So what's on your homepage would be the same that's on the podcast page, or all of them will want to have that same consistency between brand alignment, your colors, and what is important to go in there. It could hold your connected social media accounts, little buttons for that, maybe an email button, and your menus. And keep it simple and easy for visitors to use. So the congruent part, Kim.
So when we talk about congruent, we think that it's very important that you look at your pages almost in a grid view so that you can say, okay, I'm not saying something different on this page than this page. Because when you're putting your messaging out there, it's really important for your headers and footers to align with that congruent message of yours. If you're doing, like, if you're a musician and you're doing something and you suddenly put something very random, that's not a congruent thing. So think about it being connected. Again, we love the word connection around here, but think about how you can make sure that your headers and footers are connected across all your pages like Jill was talking about, but they also have that same feeling of familiar when they come to you. I think it's just super important.